How to delete Temu account. Welcome, and let's get right into this tutorial. To begin with, launch a Temu application in your mobile device. You can easily install it via your Play Store or App Store. If not, open a browser and search for temu.com to check out its official website. To delete your Temu account, at the bottom of your dashboard, click on the U icon. At the top right corner, you will see the setting gear option. Just click on it. After which, at the very top, tap on the option Account Security. From here, at the very bottom, navigate to Delete Your Temu account and click on it. Now to review and grant your permission regarding the deletion, tap on I want to permanently delete my Temu account. Then select on the Continue button. After which, you can provide them with a reason why you wish to delete your Temu account. Then select on Continue. After which, you will have to verify your identity. You can use email verification code to verify your identity, or just select on Use Google account to verify identity. Tap on any of this option. If you have selected the verification through email, then enter the OTP code which was sent to a designated email address. Once you are verified, you'll be able to delete your Temu account permanently. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.